Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is ntended and I'm super excited to bring you this video. This is 2026. You all have seen my video in 2025 how I started trading Forex. I didn't really did much in those videos. I basically showed how my chart was, but this time around I promised to bring a video explaining what Forex is all about. So as a beginner, you want to know what is Forex, you want to know how to start trading Forex even with a little fund, with a little capital. You want to know what Forex is just all about. So this video I want to break down everything in the simple terms where you can get to understand what Forex is all about. I'm going to make it very simple. It's not just going to be so buggy. This is going to be the simplest way to understand Forex market. So first of all, what is Forex? Now, Forex is just a currency exchange. By the time you bring dollar to exchange with euro, you are doing a Forex trading. By the time you take crypto to exchange with USD, which is the United States dollar, you are doing Forex exchange, which is Forex trading. So why is it trading? Why is it trading? By the time you give one thing to get another thing, that's actually trading. So in Forex, when you bring your currency to exchange with another currency, and that is Forex trading. Forex, also known as Forex exchange, is a global market. It's also a global trading market where institutional traders, retail traders, and also banks, central banks come together to trade. This market has a volume of about $6 trillion. That's huge. That's a very big sum of money where individuals get to benefit from. Even the businesses, even institutions get to benefit from the market. So to me, the reason why we trade is for financial freedom. For me, I want to be free financially. I want to travel the world. I want to reach out to places. I want to buy the things I want to buy, and Forex can make it very possible. So this is why we trade. We trade to gain fortune out of the market. We don't just trade for fun. People say, "Oh, I love trading." Why do you love trading? Isn't it because money is there? Yes, because money is there, and we all want to have this trading money. The necessary things that you need to have now is your smartphone, and then you need to have a laptop. It's necessary. You might not have a laptop while starting, but you need to have a laptop later for a broader view of your analysis, especially for analysis. So these are the things you need to have. So in your mobile phone, what do you need to do? You need to install some apps, some simple apps. They are not very simple, but there are some simple installed apps which you will find in your Google Play, or if you are holding iPhone, you can find in your Apple Play Store. So these are the MT5. You also have your broker, whatever company you want to use. It might be XNES, we have XNES, we have Access Market, we have IC Market, we have several of it. So you have to choose the one that best resonates with you, and then you register. When you register with the broker, after registering with the broker, you also register with the Forex trading platform, which is the MT5 or MT4, which is the older version. After registering with these apps, you get started by logging in. When you log in, you need to log in your broker into your MT5. That's where you are going to do start your Forex trading for the first time. So when you take your password from your broker, you take it down to your trading platform, which is MT4 or your MT5, and then you log in there. When you log in there, you have to use a demo first because you are a newbie trader, you are a beginner trader. You have to learn how it works. You need to start to place your first trade, see how those trades looks like, look at how the candle moves, and then when you are done with that, you need to get back to understanding what analysis is all about. So in the analysis part of things is where you can use your laptop. It will be very clear with the laptop because you're not going to use that with your phone. So you use your laptop to check the charts. How is the chart doing today? What is happening? Is the market buying? Is the market selling? So when you get to understand that side of things, you need to know, then you now know what decision you are making in the market, whether you are going to buy or you are going to sell the market. So the market move in three phases. The market move in the uptrending phase, and then it also move in the consolidating phase, and also it can move in the downward trend phase. So the first upward trend is called the bullish, and the the second trend, which is the consolidating, which the market is just moving choppy, and that is the consolidating trend. So the downward trend is the bearish trend, which the market is going down. So these are the things you need to know as a newbie trader. So the next thing you need to know about trading is the leverage. The leverage is what your broker, remember I told you about the broker. The leverage is what the broker gives, the money the broker lend to you to do business, because you cannot go to the forex market to trade as an individual. You need to pass through the the bigger guys to get to the market. So who are the bigger guys? They are the banks, they are the ages. Look at what analysis is all about in forex trading. First of all, we have three kinds of forex analysis, which is the fundamental analysis, we have the technical analysis, and we also have the sentimental analysis. Let me tell you what these three analysis is all about. First of all, fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis has to do with news releases, where a trader has to look out for news, what is happening in the economy news. The second one is sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis is what people are saying, the people's opinion about the market, the people's opinion about a particular asset in the market, which has to do with public figures speaking, posting in their social media platform or handles. This has to do with sentimental analysis. Now, the third one is technical analysis, which every trader must to do, every day-to-day trader must to do. This is all about reading the chart, reading the candles, which I'm going to talk about much later. As you can see at the back of my my video, which the laptop is there, you can see the charts there. That is technical analysis. I'm trying to look at what is happening in the market right now. I'm trying to look at if the market is selling and if the market is buying. And how do I see it? How do I know it? It's by me reading the candles, previous happenings, what the candle was doing 5 days ago, what it was doing 2 weeks ago. It gets for me to understand the market more better. So this is what analysis is all about. It's just getting to scalp the market, getting to dig out information from the market. When you get to know this information, it makes you understand where the market is actually going, and this will now give you a better decision to make in the market as a trader. This video has really impacted you and you want to stay in touch with me with this particular channel, you need to click your subscribe button, turn on the post notification to see the next video, which is going to be released soon. I know you want to see the practical part. I'm going to show you on my computer screen how to open an account, how to start with the brokerage, how to install your MT5, and how to start with demo, step by step, how to start with demo before you now get into trading your personal account or trading for profit. So what is Profim, if you may ask? Because I've just make mention of Profim now. Profim is a company which lend money to traders. They give you money to trade, they give you capital to trade, and then when you make profits, they split the profit by percentage and they give you yours. Isn't that interesting? So you don't have to worry if you don't have enough capital. You just need to have a little money to buy the Profim, which we have different companies that offer different kinds of trading capitals to traders. So if you can prove your skill as a trader, you can opt in to buy accounts with this Profim, and they will give you a good trading rules which you best like. So you choose the company that you love their rules, and then you play with their rules, and if you get to make profits, you will share it with them. So I believe I didn't want to make this video so long. I believe that you have gotten one or two things in this video, and my next video is going to show you, elaborating the whole thing for you, making you understand more with practical steps on how to get started with forex trading. So until next time, see you again in my next video. I remain ntended Daniel, and please like and subscribe to this channel, and then check the link on the description. You will see a Telegram group which you want to be a part of our community, where we share free signal, and then also the paid signal also is there, where you get to pay and then trade live with me. So I believe you will love that, so you don't need to miss that opportunity. So see you on the video.
You open it because you can't.
So let's look at what analysis